Dettol Antiseptic Liquid is a disinfectant that has been around for over 80 years, and it's a multi-use product. You can use Dettol for first aid, domestic cleaning, bathing, and more, plus it's recommended by medical professionals. Dettol is proven to kill bacteria and provide protection against 99% of a wide range of germs that can cause infection and illness, including bacteria and fungi, E. coli, Salmonella, Listeria, cholera, Candida albicans, viruses like influenza type A2, herpes type 1, influenza AH1N1. This is a 250 milliliter bottle, but it's also available in smaller or bigger sizes ranging from 60 milliliters to 5 liters. A little goes a long way. You really don't need to use a lot so the bottle can last for a long time, but make sure to not use it after the expiry date printed on the bottle. I really love the smell. It smells so fresh and clean, but it could seem too strong for others, but not for me. I also love using it around the house. I mop the floor with it. It smells so clean and the smell stays for hours. I use Dettol in my laundry routine and it gets rid of unpleasant odors very well. I have no problems with Dettol. I recommend it to friends and family. I'm now going to give directions to use Dettol. For antiseptic wound cleansing for cuts, grazes, bites, and stings, use 1 cupful to half pint of water. For laundry, use 2 cupfuls, 27 milliliters to 1 liter of water. For lavatories, sinks that are not acrylic, drains, bins, you can use Dettol undiluted. For floors and hard surfaces, 7 cupfuls to 1 gallon of water. For midwifery, 1 cupful to 1 pint of water for external antisepsis. For nurseries, 1 cupful to half a pint of water. For personal hygiene, never use it undiluted, and it's not for eczematous conditions. For bathing, 1 to 2 cupfuls to the water. For dandruff, use 1 cupful to 1 pint of warm water and pour it over your scalp and leave it for 10 minutes before shampooing. To treat spots and pimples, use 1 cupful to half a pint of warm water and bathe the affected area daily. For safety, use Dettol only as directed and only for external use. Keep out of reach of children and pets. Avoid contact with eyes. In case of contact with eyes, rinse immediately with plenty of water and seek medical advice. If swallowed, wash it out your mouth and drink plenty of water or milk and seek medical advice and bring the bottle with you. If you have any questions about this product, leave a comment and I'll do my best to answer it. I would also love to hear about your experience with this product or your concerns, so feel free to leave your comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. Don't forget to thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I have many more reviews coming soon. Have a wonderful day.